Good evening, Ma'am and Buddies. I am Justin Rayway M1 and we are Group 9 and we will going to explore the vaginal ring. Definition of vaginal ring. The vaginal ring is a form contraception birth control. It's a soft plastic ring that you put into your vagina. It releases the same hormones as the contraceptive pill to prevent pregnancy. The vaginal ring can also help control your periods. It sometimes could be a birth ring.
Ang vaginal ring ay isang maliit na babaluktot, plastik na singsing na ginagamit bilang hormonal contraceptive upang maiwasan ang pagbubuntis. Gumagana ito sa pamamagitan ng paglalabas ng sintetikong estrogen at progestin sa katawan.
Magandang araw sa inyo, ma'am and buddies. My name is Clark Emerson Artamundog from 1D.
Paano mo nga magagamit ang vaginal ring? Sabi dito, to use a vaginal ring, you squeeze the ring and insert it into your vagina. Sinasabi lang nila dito na pipisilin mo daw ang yung vagina at saka mo ipapasok ang ring sa iyong ari. It stay in your vagina for 3 weeks. You then take it out and throw it away and wait 7 days before inserting a new ring. Sinabi dito, ito ay nananatili sa iyong ari ng 3 linggo at pagkatapos ay ilalabas mo ito at itapon at maghintay ka ng 7 araw bago mo magpasok ng bagong singsing. You will usually have your period bleeding from your vagina a few days after removing the ring. Sinabi na karaniwang magkakaroon ka ng regla pagdurugo mula sa iyong ari, ilang araw pagkatapos tanggalin ng singsing.
Hi ma'am, my name is Klein Regis Fernandez from 1D BS Cream. These are the advantages of the vagina ring. Effectiveness over 91% effective with typical use. Convenience, easy to insert and remove, and doesn't need to be taken daily. Comfortable to wear and flexible enough to fit all vaginas. Safety, safe for women with latex allergies. Privacy, no one sees you take it like they would you feel. Than other hormonal side effects. Period related benefits may take period later, more regular and less painful. Acne may improve acne. Cancer risk may reduce the risk of cancer of the ovary, uterus and colon. Other health benefits may help with symptoms of polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and endometriosis. Fertility allows fertility to return quickly when the use ring is removed.
Good evening po, ma'am and buddies. My name is Richmond Makilao from 1D. Topic: Disadvantage. The vaginal rings lacks all constructive methods as some potential disadvantage. Here are some common concerns. Number 1. Side effects. Some women experience side effects such as nausea, headache, breast tenderness, mood change, or vaginal irritation. These are similar to those seen with other hormonal contraceptive. Number 2. Risk of expulsion. The rings may slip out during external course, overstraining IG during a bowel movement. If this happens, it needs to be raised and resented promptly to maintain effectiveness. 3. The ways protect against STIs. Like most hormonal contraceptives, the Vanilla Rings does not offer protection against sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Couple must use additional protection like condoms for STI prevention. Number 4. Risk of blood clots. Similar to other hormonal contraceptives, the Vanilla Rings carries a risk of blood clots, especially in women who smoke or have certain risk factors, such as a history of blood clots. 5. Need for monthly replacement. The ring must be recycled. Gray mouth, which requires consumptives, timing, and adherence. This can be an inconvenience for those who prefer long-term others that requires less frequent attention. Potential discomfort. Some people feel the ring during intercourse. This can cause discomfort for them or this partner. Reception required. The ring requires a reception, so access may be limited or inconvenient depending on one's healthcare situation. Not suitable for everyone. One with certain health condition such as liver disease, certain cancers, or uncontrolled high blood pressure may be advised against using the ring.